and what's up everyone? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make mutton biryani. It's a very delicious meal and trust me, you're going to love this recipe. You are absolutely going to love this recipe. So first off, we are going to be frying our onions. I'm going to be using my cast iron to fry my onions, so I'll pour in some cooking oil and then fry the onions. So I'll add a generous amount of cooking oil so that I can be able to fry up my onions. So what I did, I chopped up my onions, then I sliced them into thin strips. The onions should turn golden brown as mine. So I'm going to put out the flames. You're going to put this aside. Then now it's time for the mutton curry. So here I have my mutton. It's about 3/4 kg of meat for 300 bob. So I'm going to add this in my pot. Then you're going to add about a cup of mala or buttermilk, 2 bay leaves. Then I'm going to add pilau mix to my mutton. That is about 2 teaspoons and about 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and ginger, half a teaspoon of paprika. I'm using 2 tomatoes. Add that to the pan. I'm going to add about a cup of water so that it can help us cook the mutton. Some salt. You're going to add half of it so that the rest you can add in the rice. Some coriander. I'm adding my stems and leaves. I've added 3/4 tablespoon of tomato paste to my mutton. Then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for around 30 minutes. As we wait for the mutton to cook, I'm going to start cooking my rice. So for my rice, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. For my spices, I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of cardamom, and 4 cloves. So I'll add this to my pan. So I'm going to also add 1 bay leaf. You're going to cook this for about 30 seconds so that the spices can be fragrant. Then I'm going to add my washed rice into the bowl. I'm using 3 cups of rice. Then I'm going to add 6 cups of water. So we are having this for dinner, and I'm so excited because every time I cook biryani, my family is usually excited. That is why I used 3 cups of rice because we're a big family. So to this, I'm going to be adding I've added about a tablespoon of salt for seasoning. So I'll let this cook for around 20 minutes, and also make sure to watch your mutton so that it doesn't burn. As my rice is drying up, I'm going to be adding yellow food color. Then I'm going to cover my pot and reduce the flames to low. Now I'm going to simmer my rice for around 5 minutes. So also check on your mutton. This is how my curry is looking. Oh my god. I'm so happy about it. So it's getting thick, and it has been cooking for around 30 minutes. So it's really very tender. I need a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of salt for my mutton. So my mutton is ready, and it is thick. So this is what I'm looking for, and it's looking so good. Whew. I'm going to turn off the flames. And also my rice is ready. Whew. Wow, look at that. I'm going to use my fork to fluff up the rice, and it's looking amazing. So I forgot to mention that I added garlic and ginger paste to my rice. So now it's time to serve. Wow, look at this, you guys. So I'm serving for one. And also add some mutton. My mutton biryani is ready. Yay, yay, yay. And I'm so excited. Hope you'll be excited as me and try out this recipe. And also, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, subscribe, and please also don't forget to click the notification bell down below so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next episode. Bye.